This program gives us really valuable insights about the whole value chain, about what could circular economy mean and how can we translate that in the real world, into our business, and how can we generate a benefit out of that. Our industry is really resource intensive, so our customers use a lot of resources in terms of energy and water. If we really want to have an impact, to discuss how can we decrease our resource consumption from generating value, and in terms of circular economy, how can we really decrease our resource consumption. It's a great program. It really opens the view to circularity, and it helps us really to think and in a broad way and transform the results into our corporate world. Circular economy is really about building partnerships and working in ecosystems, and therefore it's really important to exchange with different leaders from different kind of industries and really see their point of view on circularity, because everybody has some kind of a different view, but overall, if we put all these thoughts together, we can really drive impact. If you want to get a good overview about circularity and you want to really do a deep dive and transfer that into the corporate world, it really helps to do the program and really understanding what kind of value could circularity bring to us, to the companies, but also to the world.